Hi, Anna. I'm giving you verbal feedback this week because I sliced off the top of my finger. And so typing is a little challenging. So I didn't want that to hold me back. Plus, I'm differentiating. So it looks like looking at your lesson plan that you are really going to focus on writing and readers theater, which is great. I love what you said about trying to really focus in for Jada because she really needs to have that kind of focus in order to be effective in their strategies for you. Starting with fluency, good. Word sort is good. I'm glad you found some games. I think obviously, especially after a long day of teaching or of learning at school, that games are good. Expression on reading. I love how you're kind of building. That's the great thing about using a familiar text is that you can, now it's not a cold reading anymore, and she can focus on some of those more nuanced things like expression and pacing and tone, because she's not stumbling over the words like she may have been the first couple of colder times she read that. So love that goal. Stop and talk. That's wonderful. And I think now you're learning some things about Jada and that verbal comprehension is really important for her. Handwrite our story. That looks good. And if you have time, I like how you just kind of have something there at the end to work on. It seems like every week you don't quite get there, but it's really important that you keep an eye on that time, but also have enough to do with her. So your lesson plan looks great, and I'll see you tomorrow.